ಹಾವ್ ತುಮಚೆ ಮೋಕೆದ ಆಲಿಸನ್ ಡಿಸಲ್ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಲಿ ಡೋಯ್ ರಾಗೋಸು ಮೋಗಸು.
Hi, so this is a vlog from 13th of June 2025. So it's been a year and also a month plus by the time I'm posting the vlog because I was lazy to edit. I was half dead in this time. This is from the series finishing my degree before my degree finishes me. If you remember, you remember. If you know that how dead I was from inside and outside when this series was going on and while shooting this and the whole thing was going on because I had to submit my thesis and manuscript and I was internally dead and you can see that on my face. So after a whole year and a month I have finally mentally recovered and able to edit this vlog. So enjoy the vlog. I think I should have edited my vlog on time because now I don't remember what used to be my daily routine. But as much as I remember, wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, iron your uniform, get ready, tie your hair. That used to be my usual morning routine. And then take your scooter, go to catch the bus all the way to Manipal. That used to be such a long journey and I don't look like that anymore. I don't have that clip. I don't have the same scooter. I don't have even the same helmet nor bag anymore, I guess. So, this was all 1 year ago. So much has changed. Yeah, like literally, I don't even have that same scooter, bag, nothing anymore. And the funny part is, I used to time myself to catch the government bus so I can travel for free. And for some reason, last year rains was really bad. This is June 13th, and this year we didn't have rains even till June end. And I used to literally go in government bus so I can save that 50 rupees, and just for that 1.5 kilometers in Manipal from bus stand to my college it used to be 50 rupees, and 50 rupees instead of bus I used to spend it on the rickshaw because getting wet and going was very difficult and had to walk a lot. And this is my friend Sanvi, who I miss now so dearly. It used to be a ritual that she used to have the breakfast in our canteen. That is a small cute canteen, cute one. And she used to have breakfast and I used to talk pachar and have a tea, and we used to give each other a life update. That time was so beautiful. I feel now I hated that time, college that time, but now I think I miss this. So this is our lab, and today is just a submission day. Like we had finished our work. Today is just the day to submit. Actually,
I get to plagiarism and now gone now, and it will be like a flop YouTube video.
7%. Thala for a reason. Aaya mera. Done. Ye. Wow, Akshay, this is my entire life ka work, Akshay. Strong independent woman. We don't need your help, Akshay.
Okay.
Akshay, stay,
Bro, here you're supposed to get table also, bro. Like, see, if I click on my table.
Your table.
Shut up, man. Okay, sorry, I shall not be rude to you because you're supposed to get table design, table layout.
So I'll search table design. Table.
Content.
Properties.
हाँ, अब cell में
Center.
जा. हाँ, cell.
Center.
See, strong independent woman. We did it.
What you did.
We don't need you. Go.
Give at least.
I will watch YouTube videos and bro.
We brought things. You didn't. You
I
only gave
got
idea.
There is. I have something.
Okay, we'll do video.
Strips.
2 years in this college and I never had cold coffee or what to tell, Oreo shake and also. Today for the first time we are gonna try cold coffee on the last day of college because we always thought that's like very expensive, which is 40 rupees, but still thought expensive.
Like she's
World famous Manipal auntie's coffee. So how are you feeling, Akshay, on the last day?
Good.
feeling?
good.
Good. How are you feeling?
See that guy.
This is over. That is good.
How I am feeling.
Ah.
I am feeling depressed, stressed, everything.
Stress.
I'm feeling.
Why?
Because
Suffering from
Unemployment.
piles.
unemployment. Neglect.
How are you feeling?
Unemployment, bro.
How are you feeling?
Midlife crisis.
You're happy you're going.
I haven't even submitted my thesis.
Hi guys. Sheh. Iske ke?
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, I'm Alison. I will tell you. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Alison, single and a content creator. Here is the episode 13.
This is day 13 of the series, trying to finish my degree before it finishes me. Hey guys, so I'll be submitting my thesis. The entire series have been, thesis is ready, plagiarism is 7%, tala for a reason. Just submitting is left, and this is what entire the series, the work, everything has been about, this last day. Then next is presentation, but I'll not be continuing the series. So I think bye.
What, bro? You didn't Sri Lakshmi.
Bye. Going home
Why will I cry, bro?
forever, like Kerala, no.
Bugs in the sky. So far. Let's go, Alison. With this, you shall enter the new phase of your life called unemployment. Because I always thought we had more time.
Not about us, bro. She will make them. Hi, I'm Alison, singer and a content creator.
I can't, bro. Unemployment, bro. Next. Is it dosa?
Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney. That is. MTK Kinetics, your lost kids are here for trekking. मुझे और जीने की चाहत न होती. I feel like I'm at baby's day out because like first time you're properly roaming Manipal and it's last working day. पीछे देखा तो ये जाना सनम यार होता है दीवाना सनम. Now Chillare will come for us. Here only. Amma aata hai Chillare. We finished the degree now, bro. Yeah. No we need Chillare now. Unemployment at. तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में ये बना हो पाए. I came here last time on the last day of first year, like before going into the second year, and now I'm back again on the last day of my degree.
Put your lips. Spread your in between. Spread your legs. Gee, man. Akshay spreading legs.
He's good at it. He's good at spreading.
You should know. Only you should know.
He told once.
Only you should
No, I'm not into it.
Everything came. Yes.
What is that, guys?
know. That quantity we get when we order.
It will be like not good. She won't get interest.
Nice food.
No sign of like regret also.
Eating in parents' money.
Especially
Jobless.
see her face, like how happy she is.
Unemployed piece of shit we are. We are all unemployed. Officially.
This is what regret looks like. Yes. That is how frustration looks like. See that lady. I don't know that, like I don't know much English, so I can't like say the perfect words.
This is what I will figure out life looks like.
You will figure out like.
This is what no clue what to do in life look like.
She has 3 choices. One is PhD, one is job, and one is getting married to a rich.
I am not into sugar daddy business. I shall make my own money.
How can you eat pizza with sauce? What is that?
Powder. The hot powder.
It's raining also now. ನಮ್ಮ ಊಟ ಈಗ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯಿತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಯ? 3:41 ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಊಟ.
ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಊಟ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ.
ಊಟ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ. ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಟ್ರಾಸಿ ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
ಫುಲ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್.
Instead of yabba, I started using yabba.
Because that is our vocabulary, bro.
I know, but you like influenced me.
We have influencer. Smile.
Akshay, for one smile.
Please smile, you both. इस डब्बे कॉलेज का क्या फोटो ब्रो?
So much memories are.
हत्तू. You'll miss this college. Can't wait to leave. I hate you so much. Submit.
Unemployment, yeah, Alison. If I send this, then I won't have any work to do, yeah, Alison.
Yay, jobless.
I'm submitting also.
Submit fast. And send, I'm with you. Little cry, no please. Clickbait I want.
नहीं आएगा ऐसा.
Yeah, you did it. You submitted? Submitted.
How do we have such different responses to it?
You know there is Manipal Lake, okay? Can you see? It's like walkable for us. I've never been to Manipal Lake. The plan was to go today, but it's raining, so couldn't go. Always wanted to go to that lake. See, there are so many incidents they say about the lake. These people go for dates and stuff. Feel sad. Like 2 years here, and I just couldn't go. Something that's like right here. Can you see? Like, should have gone maybe. There are so many things that I've not done. Like here, clubbing in Manipal, I've not done. Maybe only once I went for farewell. So farewell we partied. Like party means went out and all. But didn't do clubbing. Never went out at night and all with friends. Because I used to go back to Mangalore. That's good. Can't believe I'm done.
Can't believe that, I did it. I never wanted to do MSc in the first place. Then I found about this course. I was like, okay, let's do it. I mean, not done. Presentation is there. So. Okay, I walked out of college. I mean, it's not literally last day. I have to go there in again for presentation and little with other research work. And I'm taking this road that I never took in my life today, because for the first time me and my friends are going out after 5 in Manipal. We are going to Roy's Cafe, which is like very famous and all in horror sense. It's like really nice, it seems. Let's see. I have no clue, okay. I've not taken these roads at all in last 2 years. And I'm just going following the Google Maps. Let's see. It's like finally I'm exploring today after so many days in Manipal. Hello! Tell hi to my YouTube subscribers. माँ किया तो उसका माँ की क्या पता नहीं, गूगल दे फर्स्ट करना है ना ब्रो. आई न्यू
गूगल करके जाना था ना.
माँ की या तो माँ चिया.
Did you order latte and
Latte is latte. Latte I know.
with small amount of milk.
मिल्क है ना.
Usually foam.
अब्बा मिल्क ही नहीं. कैसा दिखता है? ओह लाटे माँ, वाव ऐसा दिखता है. नाइस ना. इट इज लाइक इतना कॉफी होता है, इतना मिल्क होता है. टू टेल व्हाट डू आई फील.
not good.
I understood what?
Yeah, even I understood.
वो मुझे एलोशियस छोड़ते वक्त बहुत 10th standard I was like fuck, now life is gonna start. Like more like हाँ होना था like realistic हाँ.
I think it's gonna hit you after some days.
But the food is really good, guys. Do come here. Is it expensive?
Yeah.
You can come here, but then you'll not have money. No, but really nice food, nice food. Coffee, very nice coffee. She's telling, she's a big food critic, doesn't tell good about anything, anytime. Today she's telling good. I really thought you can eat it because it looked like. This straw is not eatable, okay? I thought they made this out of, what is that thing called? Plastic. No, yeah. Sugar and all they make.
But they never told you. Why did you assume?
It is not eatable, sorry. Hot girls come here, okay? Boys and all from Manipal come here. Marty.
Those video was very stunned, no? What?
I will show my Maki. See, okay, I'll show you what I got. This is for 140 rupees. First of all, I didn't know what is macchiato. So that is first mistake. I should have known. My Maki. This is like, in bar I take 40 ml shots, so it's like that.
Why do I feel it is like that? It's so
Tastes good.
It's so bad, bro.
So it's very strong.
Water, please. Bro, something you give.
160. Just 20 rupees more. That is more. That is wow. Hot eh? Or does it taste bad?
Very bad. Please drink. Please, one sip you take.
It's very strong, bro.
Bro, अगर वो strong बोल रही है ना, I am not. Bro, I can't.
Okay, I am doing one challenge now. Let's take a shot. This will keep me up at whole. This will keep me up whole night, bro. If I drink now,
See, don't overdo it.
I have to drink. I paid for it 140 rupees.
If you gag, no, I'm telling you.
Bro, it's too like a can't. I should have just paid 20 rupees more for that. No, I didn't want to have a cold beverage. And I was like, macchiato, nice it sounds. Maki? It's very bad. I can't even ask them sugar. They'll be like, you don't know how a macchiato is. Like there should not be sugar. They'll judge me, bro.
Because it looks fancy.
How will I know exactly how kashaya as a kid used to taste like, bro? Same, bro.
Why don't you add to it?
It's house life.
No, it's necessary.
Swear same मम्मी नीम का पत्ते का वो होता है ना कषाया exact same kashaya this is. Or I just didn't know what is macchiato. I just wanted to be fancy. Everybody takes latte, cappuccino and all. No.
People have said people take a latte cappuccino.
I'm not leaving this. I paid 140 rupees.
Didn't know you.
Why did I order this?
Ask yourself.
To order it.
And well, that was it for the vlog. This was more than a year ago, last year, 2025 June, and I didn't want this memory to be erased and be on YouTube forever. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. And that was the day I forgot to record the extra because I didn't have storage, but all we were talking in the end was how bad the macchiato was. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I had an amazing time editing it. And that's it for the vlog. And until the next time we meet, Ragavasu, Mogasu, bye. Subscribe, completely subscribe.